In this video, I'm not only going to show you how to use the photo editor, but I'm also going to show you how to access free images for your website. After logging into your website, decide on the post type you want to use. For this example, I'm going to do a hero image. Then choose your imagery. Now if you see right here at the top, there's a free images tab. By clicking on that, you can access images available from Pixabay. Now sometimes people try to use Google Images just from a Google image search. Now, you might not be licensed to use those images, so we recommend not getting your images that way. Instead, if you need free images, you can use the ones that are right within the Best Website Builder. So since we're doing a hero image, I'm just going to search for a hero, why not? And I'm kind of liking the way this one looks. We can use this, and I'll show you how to edit this image using the photo editor. Clicking this button will add it to your image library. And once it loads, you can hover over and click the edit button right here. Now we're in the photo editor. First things first, when you're done with all the changes, click save, and it will actually create a copy of this image, so that way you don't actually mess up any of the original file. You're just creating a duplicate with the changes. So, do whatever kind of edits you need to the photo and know that it's not going to destroy the original photo. You can zoom in and out here. This is your undo and redo, so if you need to go back a step or go forward a step, this will show you the history of all of the changes we've made in the photo editor, and this shows you the different layers that you build. So first, down here is a filter. So there's some built-in filters that you can experiment with. Each time you click on one, it adds a new filter. So to take them away, just click on the X. And if you like one, let's say the vintage, just click apply. You can also resize a photo by putting in new dimensions, or you can crop the photo. I'm going to crop it up a little bit like this and click apply. Next, you can transform the photo. This means you can rotate it, or you can flip it horizontally or vertically. I'm going to keep it like this for now. Next, you have a draw tool, and you can choose what color and the size of the brush type and the type of brush type. For now, I'm going to keep the black and the pencil and the smallest size, and I'm going to put a little bit of an arrow pointing to our hero right here. And then I'm going to click apply, and it's going to stay on the photo. Next, I'm going to add some text. And just to add the text, you can start by clicking the add text button here, double click to edit. And since this is a hero, we're going to say that it's your customer. Now I can change the color of the text and the font. I like the way this one looks. And then once I'm happy with that, I can move it and resize it. You can also move this element up or down within the layers. You can flip it, you can bring it to the front of the layers, or you can delete it. You can also copy it. But this is good for now. There's a lot of other font styling options available to you. Things like taking down the opacity, or adding a gradient, or adding a shadow. I don't need any of those for now, but just know that those options are available to you. I'm going to click close. Next, I'm going to show you that you can add a shape. For this example, I'm going to add a rectangle. At the bottom, I want it to just have a black base to this image, like this. Click apply, and then now I'm going to change the color to black to match the image above. And click apply again. You can also add stickers or frames, and you can change the radius of the corners and make them a curved corner. If this image was a transparent image, you could actually change the background color. But this is, we don't have any transparent elements in this photo, so changing the background color would not change anything. Earlier I mentioned the layers. If you click here, you can see all the different layers that we've added to this photo. And if you click the merge button and then click that button, the layers icon again, you can see now they've all been merged into just one layer. Now once you have this the way you like it, just click Save here. And like I said, this will make a copy of the changes we've made in the image library so that if you ever need to get back to the original file, it's right here. So I'm going to add this now and take a look at how it's going to work with the rest of my elements. I'm going to go ahead and do a little bit of restyling here. I'm going to make sure that my text is left aligned and that my button is left aligned, and maybe change the color of the button as well. Yeah. I'm also going to take this overlay color down a little bit and increase the row height. All right, now we just added a hero image to the site, and we used a free image and then we edited it using the photo editor.